Okay, so in this exercise, it's a very comfortable exercise. The focus is going to be on shearing or massaging the hamstring. So Andre's already positioned here comfortably on the roller where the back of the thigh is resting. The pelvis has to be on the ground and grounded, and he's comfortably with his head and shoulders down on the floor. We're going to start on the right side, so he's going to only extend from the hip and externally rotate. The idea here is to keep the tissue on the roller without lifting, and then internally rotate from the hip and bring the leg across the roller. And let's do that again. So we're literally tugging on the fascia fabric, or literally his clothing, to try and manipulate the fascia back and forth. It creates some really good blood flow into the hamstrings, which we tend to sit on. Good, we'll do it one more time. It's kind of like an infinity sign or a sideways figure eight, and then bring it back down. And then we'll do just to balance it out, we'll do the other side. So we're going to externally rotate with the left leg, internally rotate, keeping the hips down and grounded on the floor. Go with the range that you have available to you at the hip. You'll notice that one side might feel a little bit more in terms of range of motion. We never go through pain. So we're just working through that maybe 4 to 5 times. Good, and then just relax.